Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do unboxing for the G4 Odyssey Samsung. Okay, let's get right into it. Woo! So I'm gonna start cutting this up and then let's see what's inside of the box. Okay. What's inside the box. Okay. So far so good. Let's try and take this panel nice and slowly. Gotta take it out nice and slowly. So this is what the panel looks like. This is what I got here. It's a 25 inch. See, it's a 25 inch. Nice, good, clean. So happy about the purchase. The panel, the front. That's a flat panel, IPS. 1 millisecond response time. Nice monitor. Finishing at the back. Looks clean. Okay, let's try and put this together. So guys, so yeah, this is the final product. Get that, so clean. So in the box you get a power adapter for your monitor, HDMI cable, one HDMI cable, one DisplayPort, and the power for your monitor to connect into this bit. Yeah. Just a heads up guys, so in the box you might need an adapter, so you know, because yeah, this, so you need an adapter to go with this to power on your monitor. Okay, let's boot this up and we can test it out. Okay guys, we've finally put everything together. Yep, this is my setup. This is the new monitor, Samsung G4 Odyssey. Look at that, nice and crisp. And this is my 165Hz MSI. Yeah, so this is the final look. As you can see, 27 inch. Yeah, 27 inch and a 25 inch. So I've already changed all the settings. So go inside here, as you can see, refresh rate 240, response time extreme, nice, and you have other options to adjust it to however you want it. Yeah, so far so good. Yeah, that's it. That's the final results. Back and damn, chat, look at that wiring. I'll get back to that and do my cable management. But yeah, guys, that's it. That's the Samsung G4 Odyssey. Now let's do the most satisfying part, which is peeling the plastic off. NVIDIA G-Sync, Samsung. Nice. You and those little highway